young lady right there. You can't return to the same bubble and bust, borrow and spend economy based on maxed out credit cards and over-leveraged banks and financial profits that were only real on paper. See, that young lady agrees with me. It's a young lady's turn. Everybody's this young lady right here. It's a young lady's turn. All right, this young lady right here. Right there. No, the young lady in the blue who stood up there.
Excuse me.
Good afternoon.
All right, I've got time for one last question. Young lady right here. You. All right. This young lady right here. To Pastor Wheeler, First Lady Wheeler, thank you so much for welcoming us here today.
Wow. Ooh, how unusual is that? And of course, the First Lady of Television, Betty White.
In this article in the Gazette, quoted a young lady named Kelsey Wilson. Is Kelsey here? She right over there? Anyway, she's over there. Hey, call on this young lady right here. Young lady right here.
This young lady right here.
Banged up. That must have been scary. Well, you doing okay?
We hope so. I've got another lady that's been through another family. This is Apisha Jones.